We're gonna get up onto rebuilding the head on, or replacing the head on this thing and checking out the top end and giving her a good old tune-up. You guys hit that subscribe button and check it out. Then we're gonna rip it with these Polarises. We're gonna battle it. Oh guys, what do we do to this Bombardier? Well, we got it with no compression, no spark. Ended up being, we'll show you here what the issue was. Picked up a couple quads off Marketplace. Said they came with the owner's manuals. I got to looking. Boom, Texas title. And boom, Texas title. Nice. You always like finding that in the manuals. Oh, here's one. Bombardier DS90. 4-stroke 90 cc's. 4-speed semi-auto. Check out that starter. You give her a rip. Pull her up. It's got electric start. 4-speed semi-auto. Let's get this sucker running, cleaned up. Let's see what we got. A Bombardier or Bombardier. One of you Canadians tell me how to say Bombardier. Bombardier is a Bombardier. So we're rocking 0 compression right now, guys, and we're gonna show you. Check it out. Compression tester. I've already used my kid's finger. I checked for spark the same way. So instead of threading the tester in when it's easy to get to like this, just put the old rubber plug on it. This will give you a good idea.
Yeah, probably a stuck open valve. It's moving.
I'm hoping. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, there's a few reasons why you can have a blown top end. Obviously bad rings, bad piston, bad cylinder. We are hoping. These little motors are hard to tear up, guys. I've had a bunch of them. I'm hoping that it is just needing a valve adjustment. You want to look at the piston with this? I was wondering if Chinese top end would work. Looks like it.
Yeah, right? That's what I was thinking.
So the exhaust valve is really, what'd the other one feel like, the intake valve?
It's a tad loose, but
Yeah.
it's not like crazy.
We're trying to see if we can see a valve that's just got some metal hung in it or a big old crack. Those look pretty normal. Oh wait, go back. It looked like this side had a, first of all, there's a bunch of oil in there, like it's leaking oil into it when we're cranking it. See that right at the,
It's hard to fucking, oh look, see that valve's open.
the exhaust valve?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and look at the other side. Like that same valve. See how the back side, it is bent. It's
The rocker's
really,
not even touching it.
you think we can tap it with a hammer and get it to unstick? Or you think it's bent to shit? Started up.
Yeah, it started right up.
We got this chained ham, or this Bombardier 90, and we put a little bore scope in it, and it looked to be, how you say, bent valve.
Yeah.
Looked like we might have a bent valve. We got 0 compression. We're hoping the piston's good, and it ain't been fighting in there. But we're gonna pull the head off and see. We've got a new head and new gaskets, and hopefully the cylinder we can just clean up and you know, run the piston in it.
Yeah.
At least we can see if we can put a Chinese cylinder and piston on it. So I'm pretty sure that's all they did. There's your head, new. One of these is bendy. Oh, if you're wondering how big it is, not very big. It's about a little bit bigger than my fist. So we got to pull the exhaust off, and then you got to mesh the, that's pretty much it. There's a carb got to come off too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on the head. We'll pull that off. And that's pretty much it. Then we're in business. We stood it up just to make it easier, but sometimes it makes it harder too.
Yeah.
Where it's like, damn it. Well, it wasn't bent. It just stuck wide open, right? We thought it was bent in the camera. Look, it's sticking past the mating surface, bro. Look. The gasket might have been enough. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Because it's never supposed to open that much, is it?
I don't think so.
Even when it's wide open, it's not supposed to open that much.
Yeah.
Take the hammer to it. Let's just fix it. Let's hammer it back in for
Oh,
a
it might be
minute.
it. The cam's holding it open.
Huh?
The cam's holding it open. It looks open on that side. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely bent.
Well, if we trust the mail system, our gasket should be here today. And we're about to do the carb. You know, we don't have to wait. We're gonna do the carb. You guys are gonna see what's up. What's that? 4 speeds, boy?
Looks like she needs an air filter.
Yeah, whole air bootness. Your air bootness. Hope it has freaking screws on the ball.
Got double clutches.
Your back brake. Does it have a foot brake too? No. So you got back brake, front brake. No clutches. But it will pop wheelies.
Got some weird lever over here.
Oh yeah, what's this thing? Better step on it down. Oh, here's the brake. Mesh. Dang, guys, we straight up got a new head gasket, new head, old piston, owed everything up. Owed. It's been pretty code. Oh, Ryan doesn't even know he forgot the power band. Now it's only a 3-stroke, dude. Great. So it's compression in now. And then it didn't want to spark. So we found a broken wire. Right here. Patched that up, tucked it back there out of just factory OEM style. Then we're gonna clean the carb, put an air filter on it, bolt the intake and exhaust back on, put a battery in it, and try and race it versus the Polaris 90.
Yeah.
Polaris. Looking pretty good, boys. Getting what's on that jet. Oh yeah, crusty. Oh yeah, just a little dirty, a little dirty. They're all cleaned up, going back together. New battery. We're gonna slap an air filter on it. Hopefully you guys will be looking for one of these because they're fun. I've always liked them, and I feel like they rip pretty good. Oh, still no compression happening. Ooh, seconds away from the first start. And then we're gonna have to zip tie this down before we ride it and lose it. Drill a couple holes in the tank, reach in there. You know, get hit in the face with it when you're on the hood. So we're fuel filtering it. We got some fresh gas in it. We're hoping that it's time to rip here in just a second. Got a little choke right here, and pull that, just get that pulled. Damn, should we pull it, got the pipe? I guess it depends on how she runs. It's a Christmas present, you know what I mean? So I want to pull the baffle out of the muffler for the kid.
Yeah.
At least he'll...
Put some new frame stickers on it.
Yeah. Hell, bro, she ready to fuel on? We needed 4 hands to start it, but after that, it was good. Yeah. Right? I gotta hold the choke, he's gotta feather the throttle, I gotta do another part, and then he has to do something else, and then it starts. Dang. Oh, watch that fingy. Like razor blade exhaust shield.
Oh, you smoked her. Yeah.
That Bombardier don't even have a belt, y'all.
Yeah.
Come on.
She's still good.
Push it out the way. Now this thing's aces and it's a lot of fun to ride, guys. Lots more videos coming here over the next month. Videos every Tuesday and Thursday, all in November. So be sure and get up in there. We appreciate y'all.